Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Should I or Should I Not? Part 2. Genealogy is more than names and dates. It's a quest to understand identity, belonging, and history. For me, it's intellectually stimulating. A puzzle of historical records, old documents, and family trees. Exploring my family's roots reveals our cultural heritage and uncovers fascinating stories of prominent ancestors who shaped Philippine history. But genealogy isn't just history, it's deeply personal. It's about connecting with living relatives, embracing adoption as part of my story, and leaving something meaningful for future generations. Still, not everyone feels the same. Disconnection, painful memories, or strained relationships can make genealogy feel irrelevant. Even I faced these barriers, questioning whether this journey is worth the effort. But I remind myself, it's not just about the past. It's about creating a narrative that resonates today and tomorrow. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.